Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through preparing the MESM and BDL file before converting the OX2Z file into an OBJ export. Note that the plan may be asymmetric and we will cover the key steps for smooth conversion. First, open the HPC software. Next, open the plan file that you need to work with and understand the placement of the initial plan. Now, check the facet marking. If the facet marking is inappropriate, apply the correct facet marking to ensure the accurate data. Go to the algorithm menu and select MESM for blocking. Now select no facet for recognition preset and then start the allocation process. As a result, you will get an MESM plan. When you compare the actual plan with the MESM plan, you will notice that the MESM model symmetrically encompasses the design. Here you can set the facet allowances based on the preferences with respect to your initial plan. Now save the file with an appropriate name, making sure it's clearly labeled for the future references. Next, open the same file in Helium Rough Pacor to continue the preparation process. Check the plan and confirm that the file is correct before moving forward. Here we will set the laser markings with respect to the MESM plan. Now go to the Process tab and open the line templates. This is where you will configure the necessary template lines for laser marking. Set the templates line according to the specific requirement of the process you are working with. Once the templates are set, click on the draw line to see the stimulation of marking in the preview scene. Study the marking carefully. If the markings are correctly placed, click the X button at the top left corner of the preview scene. Select Save the current lines. Make sure to save the BDL file with the same name as the MESM file. Please note that the name of the file is case sensitive, so make sure it matches exactly. Now that we have completed all the necessary steps, please share the folder containing both the files with Lexus SoftMac for converting the files into OBJ format.